The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer represents the latest in high-performance heavy machinery, designed for exceptional power, precision, and durability. With its robust capabilities, this dozer is an ideal solution for the most challenging construction, mining, and earth-moving tasks. Whether working on rough terrains or in intensive operations, the D10 offers unmatched productivity and reliability, making it a key player in the world of heavy equipment. Exterior: the exterior of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer is built to endure the toughest conditions. With a large, rugged frame and heavy-duty undercarriage, the dozer ensures stability and traction in even the most challenging terrains. The distinctive, sleek design incorporates modern features like an advanced cooling system and reinforced components, ensuring long-lasting performance. The machine is typically available in the iconic Caterpillar yellow, though customization options, such as a white variant, are available for specific requirements. The raised and elevated structure allows for enhanced ground clearance and greater maneuverability across rough ground. Performance: at the heart of the 2025 D10 Dozer lies an incredibly powerful engine, engineered to deliver the strength needed for large-scale operations. With a high-horsepower engine, it delivers optimal pushing force, capable of moving massive amounts of dirt, rock, and debris with ease. The advanced hydraulic system provides superior lift and blade control, enhancing productivity and operational efficiency. The dozer's smart technology, such as Caterpillar's CAT grade control and automatic blade control systems, allows for precise grading and earth-moving tasks, reducing manual labor and boosting performance. The D10 is engineered for outstanding fuel efficiency, ensuring low operational costs even in demanding environments. Its adaptive transmission system also optimizes engine power to suit different ground conditions, improving both performance and fuel economy. Interior: inside the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer, operators will find a modern, comfortable, and ergonomic cabin designed to maximize productivity and reduce fatigue. The spacious, fully enclosed cabin offers a clear view of the working environment, while the intuitive controls and high-tech displays ensure ease of operation. The seat is fully adjustable with air suspension, providing comfort even during long shifts. Additionally, the cabin is equipped with climate control to maintain a pleasant working environment, regardless of external weather conditions. Soundproofing materials and vibration-reducing technology enhance operator comfort, while safety features such as ROPS rollover protective structure and FOPS falling object protective structure ensure maximum protection. Price: the price of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer varies depending on custom configurations, features, and any additional attachments. Typically, a new D10 Dozer ranges between $700,000 and $1 million USD, depending on specifications and location. However, prices can fluctuate based on dealer offers and any additional aftermarket options. For those seeking a more budget-friendly option, used models are available at a reduced price, though the overall cost will depend on the machine's condition, age, and any refurbishments. Safety is a top priority in the design of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer. The machine is equipped with numerous safety features, including a robust ROPS FOPS cab that protects the operator in the event of rollovers or falling debris. Advanced hydraulic systems incorporate fail-safes and emergency shutoff systems, reducing the risk of accidents during operation. The dozer also comes with enhanced visibility features, including large mirrors and cameras for better sightlines, reducing the risk of collisions. In addition, the machine's advanced onboard monitoring system provides real-time diagnostic feedback to alert operators of any mechanical or safety issues, ensuring maximum operational safety. Overall, the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer is a powerful, versatile, and highly efficient machine, built to tackle even the most demanding tasks in the construction and mining industries. With its exceptional exterior design, advanced performance capabilities, comfortable interior, and robust safety features, it's a top choice for large-scale projects. Although priced at a premium, its durability, productivity, and advanced technology make it an excellent investment for companies that need reliability and power in their operations.